the pastor and constantly wipe the sweat off. Hey, one. Can you mop the sweat off my face? I have not yet begun to make tacos. Wipe my sweat.
I have seen the griddle.
That's the quickest way to dice up about 15 to 20 cloves of garlic right there. Look at that caramelization. Mission has a new like street taco flour size. It's really nice. They're a little smaller than this, beautiful, nice and thick. But I'm not seeing them out here on the East Coast as much as I did like around Texas and New Mexico.
Keep wanting to try. I haven't got them yet at Costco. The ones that you cook yourself, the raw ones.
Okay.
That I've seen you do.
Got the cilantro. Good, good, good. He was gonna join us. I appreciate that. So you're not like all this getting Doritos for maybe you were cracking one of those. We eat a taco, we're gonna crack into the Doritos. Me and you. Alright, so lately I've been buying the canned enchilada sauce. I like green better than I like red. And I just dump it straight in the griddle instantly and boil up here. Look at that. Hot. I'll let it boil off a little bit. No, it's not too bad, yeah.
I've never been, but I've heard, yeah, I've heard it. I have
I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of corn.
my dream is to one day on the Lord of the Rings.
Just like hickory smoked bacon.
Hickory smoked pipe, was it already chopped up?
You chop it up.
They've held that.
That's number one. That's
You heard that? She said, nice job chopping the bacon up.
Thank you, thank you.
Go give her knuckles. Go ahead.
Nice job.
Yeah.